Turn any bottle you have laying around into incredible art with this dreamy pink and purple sunset. It's an inexpensive and earth-friendly way to paint by repurposing what we already have at home. Let's dive in. So we're just gonna take this is a kitchen sponge, and I'm gonna pick up some white paint on it, and I'm going to start dabbing it at the bottom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up some pink paint. Now I'm gonna have the recipe for this paint mixture in the description below if you're interested. And I'm just gonna blend that right into the white. I'm not gonna clean off my sponge. I'm gonna use the same sponge, and I'm gonna pick up some light purple, and I'm going to do the same blending method. And I'm gonna blend that purple right into our pink and working our way around. And one of the most challenging parts of painting with wine bottles was taking off the label. I didn't think that was gonna be a challenge at all, but it was. It was an ordeal. I Googled, I YouTubed, and found some really great ideas. And what ended up working was pouring some boiling water right into my, you have to be really careful because the spout is really small. So I used a kettle with a smaller spout. I poured the boiling water right into the wine bottle, and I let it sit there for a few minutes so the glue on the label had a chance to soften, then peeled it right off. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up some darker purple, and I'm going to use that to paint the top because I want it to be, it's a sunset sky, so I want it to be really dark at the top. And then we're gonna leave it to dry, and then we're gonna come back and add our clouds. All right, once our base coat is dry to the touch, we're gonna add in some nice white fluffy clouds over top. Using not a brush, but we're gonna use simple Q-tips. Now this is a really fun method that I've used in paintings before, and it makes it really non-intimidating to paint. Anyone can do this, and you don't need any fancy tools, just a Q-tip and some white paint. So to make our clouds, I'm just gonna pick the center of my bottle to start them out. We're just gonna dot in our cloud shape, and clouds are fluffy and they're irregular. So they're not perfect by any means. And overall, like if you're gonna take a look at a cloud overall, they're usually like a triangular shape. They have a highest point, and then they have a flat line at the bottom. And then you're just gonna rinse and repeat. Can't really mess these up. And now we're going to paint in the moon. So to do that, I'm gonna grab a pencil just to sketch it in first. So basically what the trick is you wanna find something that's circular, and we're gonna use that as a stamp. Not a stamp, sorry, a stencil. So we're just gonna trace that. And then to get our crescent, we're just gonna shift it over, like maybe a centimeter or two to the right, and then we're gonna trace that. I can't remember where I learned this. It was definitely on the internet, and it's been one of the best tricks to paint in a crescent moon that I've found. So now all we're gonna do is we're going to fill that in. So now to paint in our stars, I'm gonna pick up a paint marker to do them, but you can also use a really small detailing brush with some white paint and dot on your stars. And if you're looking for more wine bottle painting ideas to inspire you, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, sending you lots of peace, love, and color your way.